log masters. So a pro tip, whenever you have a house with exposed chink lines like this, where there's chinking rather than caulking between the logs, it's important after you restore the house or you're restoring it that you come back and repaint these lines with chink paint. That's really the only way to get these lines crispy. You don't really want to try to hand brush or cut in these and not get any stain on the chink lines. It's just a losing battle, but the right method is to come back after you restored the logs, stain over these chink lines while you're staining the house, and then come back through and paint them with chink paint afterward. That'll make the lines nice and crispy. You can also choose a color that complements the stain color, so you can have a two-tone effect. These may be white or light gray, where this may be a blonde or a darker color stain.